Human nature. I want to sing you an unknown song. It doesn't come natural to me. I don't know the words, and I cannot sing, but if you want, I will do anything. How long to get you to hear me singing my soul beyond control, to bring me back to life, to die again tonight, apart from you for just a second, lost forever to the times apart. Oh my heart, please come back to me, help me to see all I am for you to take, and give me a break, and break me in two. You, the flower of life, grows petals bright, to the heavens' light it glows, it looks to find what it leaves behind, all its wants and woes. The wind of time, how sweet and mean, it takes away all my flowers seen, it rips the roots, it tears under boots, and a blanket of snow it lies under. Then in spring, a miraculous thing, the flower of life does show, that beyond all doubt, the times of drought, it will forever grow. Spring to life, and leave the past under the snow. I want to sing you an unknown song. It doesn't come natural to me. I am what I am, what I am, I am. What am I to do?